wet bush. Wet bush. Cherries plant with strawberries. Pepper tree. A Christmas tree. Maple syrup tree. Jeff is right, the science guy. Jeff! 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 Jeff!
Today, Jeff is going to talk about nature. The tree of life.
Super nature, goddammit! As the journey began, with a quest of Pokemon searching. Dude, go get a shovel. This thing is in my way. Now! Ah! Go get the damn shovel! The search for Pokemon begins.
As you see here,
My assistant.
as you see here, the molecules inside the
Molecules.
leaves. They are shivering.
Shivering.
They're stuck like ice.
Stuck like ice.
They cannot move because of how cold the temperature is. One day, we might be able to save these molecules.
Hello guys, this is Jeff is right, the science guy. Today, look at this mutated ant. I know you can see it. It's big, so humongous, mutated. I know, right? My brain waves are moving. Apes are evolving. My brain cells are evolving. I'm gonna be able to pick up stuff. Telekinesis. Rub my penis really good without me touching it. Screw you, molecules! He's trying to lay his molecules into the ground. Today, we'll find out if the dog leaves his molecules in the ground. As you can see, we'll zoom in for you. As you can see, he planted his seeds, or molecules as a short term. Molecules. Jeff! The search for Pokemon begins.
As you see here, the molecules
Molecules.
shivering,
Shivering.
staying still in the leaves. It's so cold. Fuck. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
How do you start over? Are you recording? They're gonna hear me say that, so you have to delete that.
Wait, start over. I have another thing. Okay, wait, start over. You are? Ah! Universe tree.
Fuck. No, wait, tell me when it goes. Damn it. Wait, is it going? No, I had to start over because they were hearing me say. So, like, yeah, do the finger thing.
What are those?